Last lecture, we take the information of definition of lifespan, definition of reproduction, and types of reproduction. We already know the reproduction is divided into two types. First one is the asexual reproduction and second one is the sexual reproduction. Today, we take the information of asexual reproduction in animals. Asexual reproduction is also called as apomixis. Apomixis word is made up of by two Greek words. First one is the apo, means without or away. Mixes means mixing. We already know the definition of asexual reproduction. The process of formation of new individual without formation and fusion of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Means without the mixing of gametes and formation of new individual is called as asexual reproduction. So, how the process of asexual reproduction is going on in animals? So, in animals, this process is taking place by different types. First one is fission, second one budding, third gemelle formation, fourth regeneration, fifth sporulation. So first we see the fission. So what is the meaning of fission? In this method of asexual reproduction, the whole parent body divides into two daughter cells. See here, the whole parent body is divided into daughter cells. Is called as a fission. On the basis of number of daughter cell produces from parent body, the fission is divided into two types. First, binary fission. Second, multiple fission. Friends, here the name is self-suggest, bi and multi. You know, bi means two, multi means many. So in binary fission, the whole parent body divides into two daughter cells. See here again, the whole parent body divides into two daughter cells, and such type of division is called as a binary fission. Binary fission is again divided into three types. First one is the simple or irregular. Second one is transfer. Third one is longitudinal binary fission. First, simple or irregular binary fission. Such type of fission is found in irregular shaped animals. So we already know our familiar example of irregular shaped animal is amoeba. So from parent body, there is a formation of two daughter cells. So here in binary fission, first of all, the division of nucleus is taking place. And we already know division of nucleus is called as a karyokinesis. Karyokinesis is followed by cytokinesis. So after the division of nucleus, means after the process finishing the process of karyokinesis. It is followed by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means what? Division of cytoplasm. So here, from parent body, division of the nucleus. The nuclei divide. From single nucleus, two nuclei is formed, and then division of cytoplasm, and from that is the formation of two daughter cells. Then, second type of fission is transfer binary fission. In this type, the body divides transfer to the longitudinal axis. Right? So this is the parent body. Here division of nucleus and then division of cytoplasm, but the parent body is divided transverse to the longitudinal axis and daughter cell is formed. Example is paramecium. Third type of fission is longitudinal binary fission. In this type of fission, parent body divides along the longitudinal axis of the body. For example, euglena. In euglena, this is the parent body. From that, the body is divided longitudinally, and that is the formation of two daughter cells. It's called as a longitudinal binary fission. Example is euglena. So in binary fission, from parent body, there is formation of two daughter cells. Here in this, first of all, the karyokinesis, then it is followed by cytokinesis. The two daughter cell is formed. This daughter cell is genetically identical to each other. Second type of fission is multiple fission. Multi means many. Parent body divides into many small parts, which gives number of individual during unfavorable condition. So when condition is not favorable, at that time the process of reproduction is going on with the help of multiple fission. Here the body of the organism is divided into many small parts, and each and every part divided into the new individual. This process is taking place into the amoeba. So this is about the first type of asexual reproduction is fission. Second one is budding. So budding is a type of asexual reproduction. In this type, the animals which produce buds or outgrowths that develop into the new individual. This phenomena is called as a budding. For example, hydra. So here, from the body of the hydra, small outgrowth or initiation of bud is taking place. Then this bud is slowly developed, and for nutrition it is totally depends upon the parent body. When they are fully formed, they are detached and develop into the new individual. The process of formation of new individual or the development of new individual from the bud or outgrowth, this phenomena is called as a blastogenesis. So next 3 types we continue on next lecture. Thank you.
Yeah.